Hi, I am Taha, a full-stack software engineer with over 8 years of experience. I have worked in various tech industries, healthcare, edtech, sports tech, real estate, and sales tech. I have developed a lot of sales tools, Optimal being one of them. I was the first developer to start on it, and then it had a great success story. It was a startup which was backed by GitLab and was funded by $2.1 million in seed round. And I worked with AI Scout. AI Scout is a big product used by Manchester United, Chelsea, these sort of football clubs. What it does is that it uses AI to analyze your football skills and display them inside of a train. That train is usually located near all the main football matches whenever they happen. Apart from these, I have worked on some existing products which were in quite terrible conditions. One of them was Ziply. In Ziply, we revamped the entire screen and everything, and that helped us grow our revenue by 200%. What Ziply is, it's similar to Uber and Clean, but it ships you parcels. So if you have an exciting MVP idea or are you looking for a developer for your existing product, let's be a partner and build something impactful together.